Hi guys, it's me Ann and I'm back with another video. In today's video we're going to discuss a few ways that you can spend your tax return. But before we get into today's video, if you're new here, hi! Again, I'm Ann. If you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can be alerted every time that I upload a video if you want. Before we get started, I just want to answer the question that I know I'm going to get. This hair is from YirooHair. They were kind enough to send me over 4 bundles, 16, 18, 20, 22, a Brazilian loose wave. The hair specs will be down below in the description box if you are interested, as well as my makeup details. The lipstick that I'm wearing is from Fenty Beauty. It's one of their new lipsticks. I believe it's called Undefeated. Again, everything is down in the description box. So, to my knowledge, the IRS is processing tax returns, and I know everyone has the urge to go ball out, go buy Lamborghinis, some Gucci. No, they're canceled. But you know, go buy designer things and just tax ball. But I want to give you a few ideas of things that you can do with your tax returns that will set you up for your future and won't land you broke a few months from now after you done blow through all that cash, okay? So, the first thing that you should potentially do with your tax refund is save 20%, okay? A lot of you are getting back $2,000, $3,000. If you have children, you're getting back more. Even if you're getting back $500, saving 20% will do you the world of good, because a lot of us tend to not save as much as we possibly can during the year due to expenses and things like that. So it's always good when you get a nice lump sum to save a percentage, and I'm suggesting 20%. Another thing that you should look into doing with your tax refund is paying off any past due bills or just bringing them current. That means if you were behind on your light bill, your cable bill, whatever, you should definitely look into bringing it current, because a lot of people carry over balances sometimes from the previous month. Let's say you have Con Ed bill and you got it in May, but you didn't pay May's bill, and then June's bills come, and then you pay May's bill. You're always carrying over a balance. So when you get your tax refund, definitely look into making sure that all your bills are current. Your phone bill, your light bill, your gas bill, your this bill, whatever bill it is, make sure that it's current so that when you get the bill, there's no past due balance on it moving forward. Sorry, I'm going to be looking at my phone because my notes are here. So another thing that you should look into doing with your tax refund is fixing, building, or rebuilding your credit. And I'm definitely not talking about paying off things on your credit report, etc. But I'm talking about paying down your credit card to 30% if you can. So if you have a $10,000 limit and you're using $5,000, it would be ideal for you to get that card down to a $3,000 balance so that it helps improve your credit score. Okay. If you don't have credit, I would suggest looking into opening up secured cards and lines of credit. If you're interested in a video about credit, building and rebuilding your credit, or even slightly fixing it, comment down below in the comment section. But I did record one, so depending on how many comments I'll get, I'll drop that video first week of March, okay? Last but not least, another thing that you could and should do with your tax return is look into starting a business. A lot of people want to start businesses throughout the year, but during the year, for some reason, money is a very big issue. So when you get your tax return, that is the ideal time to look to start a business. You have a good chunk of change on your hands. You can dedicate some money to, you know, starting your website, buying a domain, or just anything like that. If your tax refund is the best thing to use to start up your business, because A, it's money that yes, you are expecting, but you never know exactly the amount it is until you're done with your taxes, etc. So instead of planning out all the trips that you're going to take with this money, all the clothes you're going to buy, the shoes, the rentals, the cars, and all that stuff, try the things that I mentioned in this video to just kind of get yourself ahead in life. Because remember, if you don't boss up, you'll get bossed around. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!